Detailing 101, working in direct sunlight. Hi, I'm Ivan, this is DIY Detail. We're gonna be going over strategies for working in direct sunlight. First of all, we've done the fender and the hood here, and you can see water beading is great. On the door though, the water's sitting flat. Now this vehicle has been ceramic coated many years ago when it was new, and the coating is still there underneath all that flatness. So we need to wash it and decontaminate it. To do so, we're going to start with a bit of rinseless wash on the surface. Once the rinseless wash is on the surface, we can take our sponge, just on the verge of dripping, and you can hear the contamination. Once that's done, we take our decontamination towel with some iron remover, one spray on the towel, one spray on the panel, and decontaminate. One of the important parts is to do one panel at a time. Very important when using the decontamination towel to not apply any pressure to it. Let it glide across the surface. With this, we're removing the iron contamination as well as the mechanical contamination. Next, we rinse off the iron remover. And next up, we apply water spot remover. The water spot remover is going to remove mineral contamination that we don't see and we don't feel and isn't removed by the decontamination towel. To do so, a few sprays on the panel, and then take a microfiber towel that's dampened in the rinseless wash, not wet, just dampened, and we're going to agitate the water spot remover using the towel. And since the vehicle is clean, there's no need to be flipping the towel. We're going to let that dwell but not dry, very important. And then rinse it off. Once we're done rinsing, next step is drying. We'll be using the drying blanket and C6 Mist as our drying aid. Don't need a lot of it, just a spray or two. Dry off the section that we've done. And then we move on to the next section. Working in direct sunlight is all about being prepared, having everything ready to go at your disposal, and working small sections at a time. Don't try to do the whole vehicle. One of the keys to working outside in direct sunlight is to be prepared. By being prepared means everything you need is right with you. I have my bucket with Rinseless wash in it. I have my legacy sponge. I have my perforated synthetic decontamination towel to go with the iron remover. I have water spot remover for that final bit of decontamination, going along with the microfiber towel to agitate it. We of course have a Rinseless wash, and to finish it off, C6 Mist as a drying aid. If you have any questions, comments, thoughts, or ideas, please leave them below. We'll see you in the next Detailing 101.